Jai Sriman 36th sloka of 2nd chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Avachya vadamscha bahun vadishyanti tavahitaha निंदन्तः तव सामर्थ्यं ततः दुःखतरं नु किम्. Om. If you do not perform your duty in a righteous way, people will make many slanderous remarks about your abilities. That will be very painful. Sri Krishna Paramatma gives the best option for every one of us, asking every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Now let us give a word to Sri Krishna Paramatma, saying that, O Sriman Narayana, I shall perform my duties in a righteous way. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Sriman Narayana, I shall act according to your word. Karishye vachanam tava sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण चतुर्मुखब्रह्मा सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, according to Paramasiva's anugraham, Sudyumna getting 1 month female and becoming 1 month male, like that he is ruling the kingdom. Then Sudyumna gave birth to 3 sons. He got 3 sons. After some time, when Sudyumna became older, he Pururavasa Vutsrujya Gam Putraya Gato Vanam. He gave the kingdom to his son Pururava, and then he went to Vanavasam, Sudyumna. Because Sudyumna has taken Vanaprasthashramam, Vaivasvata Manu came to know about that, and then he again wanted to get some more children, for which Putra Kamaha Tapastepe Yamunayam Shatam Samaha. On the banks of Yamuna river, he has done 100 years great severe tapasya. And he prayed Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana was very much pleased with that tapasya. And according to again Sriman Narayana's Asirvadam, Vaivasvata Manu got 10 sons. The eldest son is Ikshvaku. There is another son, Prushadra. Vasishtha Maharshi gave a responsibility of taking care of cows to that Prushadra. So Prushadra always used to do that duty. He used to take one sword, and in the nights he used to take care of cows. One of those nights it was raining, and one tiger came into the group of cows and caught one cow. When that cow started screaming, Prushadra came to know about that, and he has taken his sword in that night. He went towards that place, and he thought it is a tiger. Because it is night, he was unable to see. So thinking that it is tiger, he cut the head with his sword. But it so happened to be that is cow. So that means Prushadra cut the head of cow. In that process, tiger's one ear also got cut and fell down there. Tiger ran away. So what happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 2nd chapter, 36th sloka. Avachya vadamscha bahun vadishyanti tavahitaha nindantastava samardhyam tato dukkatarannu kim. Avachya vadamscha bahun vadishyanti tavahitaha nindantastava samardhyam tato dukkatarannu kim. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.